554 Heavy, late tower taxi, Charlie 1 Bravo, full length.
Delta 554 Charlie 1 Bravo, full length.
So 554 Heavy at the shoreline, turn left, heading 210, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
Delta 554 left, 210, clear for takeoff, runway 25 right. Ground, tower Delta 554 Heavy. I understand we are clear for takeoff, runway 25, heading 210 at the
So 524 Heavy, that is correct. Runway 25 right, clear for takeoff at the shoreline, turn left, heading 210.
Delta 554, at the shoreline left, 210, clear for takeoff, 25 right.
So 554 Heavy, turn left, heading 210, contact SoCal departure.
210 heading SoCal departure, Delta 554 Heavy, see you. SoCal departure, Delta 554 Heavy is out of 2 for 5.
Delta 554 Heavy, SoCal departure, radar contact, clear direct PV, climb and maintain 17,000.
Clear direct PV at 17,000, Delta 554 Heavy.